It's 5 o'clock and I'm making oatmeal pancakes for dinner. So let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing I did last night. And what I did last night is to soak my oatmeal in water. This is 1 cup of oats and 2 cups of water. And the oats I used were the quick cooking oats, not the traditional rolled oats that take a while to cook, and definitely not the steel cut oats or groats. I use a quick cooking oats, cooks in a minute, and I soaked it. So what I did here basically is I made my own oat milk. I'm going to add that to the bowl. And I like to soak these overnight. You can soak them for 3 or 4 hours. It's just easy. If you know you're going to make pancakes the next day, just throw it in a container with the water in the refrigerator overnight. Works great while you're sleeping. That's what I like to cook. So, to that I'm going to add a couple of eggs. Okay? Now, you can use egg replacements like chia seeds and water, but it doesn't give you the same texture as real eggs. So I will use real eggs. I like that texture, and I don't mind having an egg once in a while. One hand. See that? One hand. Nice. Okay, now I have to start adding some flavor to this. So I'm going to use first some maple syrup. I'm using 100% maple syrup. The ingredient in here is maple syrup. There's no added flavorings or high fructose corn syrup. It's all maple syrup, and this is really the only kind of syrup I use. It's kind of a healthier way to sweeten foods. And I just need 2 tablespoons of this maple syrup. I need some cinnamon in there, so it's going to be a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon plus a ¼ teaspoon of salt. And salt is not really an option because you want the flavors to come through, so you need some salt. Because I need to add some dairy to this, and I need to add some fat to this. Otherwise, it's just not going to have that tender texture. And the dairy and fat I'm going to use is Greek yogurt. And this is a very good Greek yogurt. You can get whatever brand you want. Just make sure it's plain, no vanilla, no sugar, no any fruit in it, just plain. This is 5% fat. That's good. I like that. It's a good amount of fat, not too much fat. And yogurt is probably the healthiest of all dairy products you can put in here. I don't want to put butter. I don't want to put milk. So I put some yogurt in there. And what I'm going to do is put 3/4 of a cup. And 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. I'm going to blend this up pretty good. Now we have one more kind of secret ingredient here, and that is an apple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this apple. I'm going to cut it in half, get the core out, and then I'm going to grate it and put it into the mixture. Okay, that's that. Now we're going to mix in 2/3 cup flour. Okay, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We mix that in. That's the right consistency. You hear sometimes the term used, the consistency of pancake batter. Well, that's what the consistency of pancake batter is supposed to be. The batter is all set. Let's make some pancakes. I put my pan on medium heat. And then I have this 2 tablespoons of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil in this little container. And I have this paper towel. I just want to wipe out the pan a little bit, just so that nothing's going to stick. And I am using a Teflon pan. I don't want to put like a pool of oil in here because I don't want to fry the batter. I'm going to drop the batter in there, and what I'm going to use is good old-fashioned ice cream scoop. That'll help me measure, get every pancake nice and the same size and nice and round. And watch this. Beautiful. Watch that again. Beautiful. Couple more times. You can see some bubbles in there, and the edges look like it's a little cooked. It's time to flip these over. Look at that, beautiful brown color. That's what you're looking for. That's going to give you a nice, rich flavor. Excellent. You can feel them and they kind of spring back a little bit. And that means they're done and they're delicious. Nice color. They are done. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you get all the videos I make. And check this out. That's some delicious looking pancakes. I'm going to eat this for dinner. Fantastic. And if you like this, you've got to check out my potato waffle video. A great video, tasty waffle made from potato. I'll see you there.